Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix block blast not updating. So in order to fix this issue, the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your Google Play Store or App Store, and here in the search bar you need to first search for block blast. Now once you find block blast app, you just have to simply tap on it, and here if you see the update button, you just have to tap on the update button. So this is the manual option. So once you tap on the update button, if it is not updating in the first method, what you can do is you can simply check your internet connection, because sometimes when your internet connection is not good, you might face these types of problems. So you can try this little trick in which you will have to just swipe down your notification bar, then tap on the airplane mode, wait for 5 seconds and then tap on the airplane mode again. So this will improve your internet speed. So you can tap on the update option and check if it is updating or not. If it is still not updating, then what you can do is you can simply tap on the uninstall option here, and after that you can simply reinstall the game in your device. So you don't need to actually update it, and even if it is not updating, with the help of this method you will get the latest version of block blast. Now if you don't want to basically uninstall the game, what you can do is you can first go to the block blast app info section, and here you will see the clear data option. So you can tap on clear data, then tap on clear cache and then press OK. So what this will do is this will clear the cache of your block blast, but it will not delete your progress in the game or your previous section in the game. So now you can try to update your game and check if it is working or not. So with the help of these 3 effective methods, you are definitely going to fix this issue, and if you do that, do let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.